Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. All right, so we're looking at eighth notes and lesson 8 of Rubank Elementary. This is number 1. These are all whole notes with accents. Also looks like the greater than sign that you would see in your math class. And 1, 2, 3. You'll get into number 2, 2A. We're counting 1, 2, and 3, 4, and we repeat that. I'm going to repeat it twice. I'm going to play 2A 3 times. Here's part B. Now part C. Part D, we're now in 3/4. So we have our dotted half note worth only 3 beats, and now I'm going to do all of line 2, each repeated once. Number 3 of lesson 8, the Rubank Elementary. And for some odd reason, number 4 changes key from B flat to E flat and starts in the middle of the line. So that can be a little confusing. Here we go, number 4. Now on to number 5. And number 6, Long, Long Ago. This one has the DS in it. We get to the DS at the end of the second line of the song. Jump back to the little S sign, which is about the 5th measure, and play through till the fine. And last, we are in 3/4, switching from E flat to B flat. And that does it for lesson 8 of the Rubank Elementary method for trombone. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.